mind be say, God, now prayer she dey pray now. God, don't let this be in vain. God, as this woman they remove her, may they not come back again. So
She not going to experience the same pain now.
you not come back again if she just follow my instruction. You say I hear tear. You say I tear. This one a kiss now. The thing don't chop and well. Now she will need collagen and vita. You have collagen?
In the shop here?
No, I'm talking to her. Do you know about collagen?
Sorry.
You need collagen supplements to help you regenerate new fresh skin very fast. That's why she's having that injury. It's okay. You don't feel my way. You don't feel my way.